Good morning! I'm in Uluwatu today, in the surfer village. It's very early morning, it's about 8 o'clock at morning, and I wanna show you how it looks like, surfer's life at morning in Uluwatu. Here we go, this is the place, this is the village entrance. As you see, very surfer vibe. I've been here already many times actually, but always during the sunset time when many surfers are just going home. Imagine now as they every day have to go down and go up of these stairs, so tiring. But that's how it is. Oh, I made this, wasn't easy, but yeah. Okay, here is the warung, closed still, so I will show you how it looks. Everywhere here normally are warungs. Here's already the photographer. He's making the photos for the surfers. There is the access to the beach. They're going down. And the surfers are there. Where's the waves? Also, I took the drone with me, so I'm gonna show you really beautiful spots like this one, for example, over here. And the surfers, of course, I hope so the signal and satellites will be good this morning because it's really not so busy. Meanwhile, it's really beautiful here at the morning. It's pity as every restaurant is closed, so no place for breakfast or coffee with the view, but it's still very nice. I will go down. I will try to show you a little bit more, and maybe there will be some surfers on the way, you never know. So afternoon, everywhere here are warungs selling beers. There are massage places, so the ladies doing the massage for the surfers. Obviously they need massage after a few hours in the ocean and everything, but at the moment everybody is still sleeping. And here we go, here is the photographer. Check this out, his big camera, really big, really pro, and he's shooting everything over here. Check this out, the color of the ocean. And over there at the front is catamaran, also pretty cool. And surfers over there. I will zoom it for you a little bit. Oh, here we go, it's the one surfer is going. Also this pool with the beach, but especially pool over here. It's very cool place. I'm not sure if it's open right now. I was there only once, and the entrance fee is just 250k just to get there. Usually you are by your own, but however, if this strong waves, all is shaky. Can you imagine that? Even the water from the pool sometimes is getting like out from the pool because it's so shaky, because this pool and this warung is just attached to the cliff. So basically, as you see, it's beautiful beach, and this swimming pool, the warung, actually just the swimming pool, is attached like this. Can you imagine that? It's actually, for some people, it may be a little bit scary, but it's actually pretty cool. But really, if the waves are big and touching the cliff like this level, everything is shaky over there. Anyway, it's not so famous spot, maybe because it's so expensive, or I don't know, but it's spectacular view anyway from here and there. That's how it looks, the vibes. Also over here is another photographer, and the beach is like this, so you have to go around the village, and there is the entrance to the beach. And meanwhile is the many shops, you can buy some merchandise. There is the one warung open, I think they are having the surfers having a breakfast. It's always some spot around. So many stairs, by the way, and you walk through the small wee narrow alleys here, and usually at this time they are the only surfers here. In normal conditions, yeah, there are some tourists, and it's many restaurants open when you have a breakfast, especially the single thing at the top. Check this out, these murals. I think they are kinda new. Definitely I didn't saw them. I'm coming here regularly, but yeah, it's always pretty cool vibes. Also here, where you see these small shops, you can fix your surfboard and having a picture like this.
This Uluwatu Beach.
This monkey. Anyway, they are shops. You can make a picture of surfing if you surf. Check this out, these guys. They even have a mug. That's not so. All good, guys, yeah?
Yeah.
All good. Okay, I'm gonna go to the beach, yeah? And if you wanna buy the land, also this guy have a land for sale. All right, I going back down. Oh shit, so monkeys everywhere, have to go fast. Monkeys everywhere, seriously, like. Anyway, they was joking because they wanna sell me this land over here. Actually not so bad, but I'm not interested. All right. And again, so many stairs to go down. That's so hard actually. And you have to go down like here. And that's how it looks, the vibe, as I said. Some surfer girls. And here is some photo session since morning. Also like this. And there's the beach where I show you from the top of the cliff. And here also you can go to the beach, and I'm thinking to go there, but I'm not sure if the warung is open or not. So actually maybe I'm gonna show you now because I need to fly drone. So I don't know, here if you're gonna go by through these rocks, caves, there is the beautiful beach, and going up is the warung. I'm okay, eventually I decide I'm gonna check this out. If here is any open warung, and check this out, you have to trespass. You see these stairs behind me? This is so hard actually. And of course the warung is closed here, so I just waste my energy to come. Doors are closed. Anyway, if I'm already here, why my face is so bright? Anyway, if I'm already here, I show you. So this is the beach, and here this is the access to this swimming pool. Pretty nice swimming pool. I will show you now. If you may be interested ever to come here, I don't know even who gonna open you this gate. Long time ago was just the guy here, but yeah, that's how it is. Over here, this is the entrance to this beautiful place, what is quite characteristic to this area of Uluwatu. So these stairs going down. Somebody last time tell me, Damian, your condition is not so good, you always like and imagine now it's 30 something degree, and you have to climb up and down these stairs, and you're already wet, literally. It's not so easy. Everywhere are stairs, seriously, like guys, look at this. Anyway, if you are coming here at morning, like this time it's 8:30 at morning and weekday, or you're gonna come earlier, or maybe even up to 10 o'clock, you have beach only for yourself, as you see. And also I'm gonna show you around. Really nobody is around me, so it's pretty cool place for chill. And obviously if you are a surfer, you probably already know this place. So I just gonna stamp on the rocks because I don't wanna get washed. By the way, why is so bright? And yeah, it's pretty beautiful place. The beach itself is called Suluban Beach, as you saw on the top where the guy wants to sell me the land. Also maybe if you wanna buy the land, there are lands here also for sale. Anyway, you have a really gold view. You have to agree with me. Anyway, I will show you one more place somewhere between these rocks, the beach, other one. And I need to fly drone a little bit to show you around how does it look like. But meanwhile, I just really enjoying because I'm just by myself on this beach. Beautiful. If you're gonna come here in the sunset time, definitely will be some people, and also so many photographers, because this beach is quite famous also for making any kind of photo sessions. That is so beautiful. Only the stairs are so tiring. Okay, now if you really want to find a beautiful secret beach, well, maybe not really secret, but kind of hidden, as you see right now. So you have to be careful of your head, and you have to trespass using this small wee path here. Usually already some surfers goes at morning, so the sign is already easy to trespass. And check this out, there is the beach. Unfortunately, I go on the beach with the shoes, so that's kind of stupid idea. Well, I'm not gonna say it's the smartest way. And anyway, it's a little bit high tide, but as you see, the beach over there is so beautiful. Okay, eventually I decide to risk a little bit my shoe, and check this out, this beautiful beach. Also totally empty. I'm only one here at the bottom. Afternoon will be some people, but now check this out, so cool. I can even show you my beautiful smile today here. so nice. So meanwhile, that's how it looks, the beach. Surfers are over there and there, and there at the front is actually one lady doing something, maybe pictures of his husband or boyfriend on the surfboard. And there are cliffs like this, and literally guy doesn't joke. You see, this is the land for sale, and there is the gate, and there is the house. Already somebody bought and built their villa, so everything is possible. However, it's really expensive. Check this out. Actually, I never go so far here. There is some wreck of the ship. Well, that's literally wreck of the ship, as you can see. And I believe as they crashed, the boat crashed when it was storm during this cliff, into this cliff. It's quite big. Everything is cool, but these stairs. Check this out. So many. Alright, it's glad to be back to the top. As you see, the same place. I'm just gonna organize some drink for myself, take a deep breath, and I'm gonna start my drone, and I'm gonna show you these beautiful shots of this area. Check this out. One surfer guy is chilling here in Blue Lagoon. Actually, not so bad place for chilling. It's quite far to going from this place, from the beach. This going there is like, I don't know, 500, 800 meters. It's tiring. Okay guys, just landed. This is my drone, by the way. Check this out. My face is just like after shower. Can you imagine how hot it's here? Whew, it's hard to describe. Even surfers already go home. It's just super hot. It's just 9 o'clock. Also here is the parking area, and here is the pool and some restaurant. It's closed obviously, like everything at that time, but it's so many things where you can chill out and watch the surfers. Actually, I wish to have a drink somewhere. Alright guys, I went go down, get up, fly drone and everything. I know, okay, my fitness shape is not as good as the surfer or somebody, but still my health condition and everything is fine. I know many people asking me about that. It's just super hot and humid is so high. It's not like in Europe. If you somebody compare from the Europe, obviously I'm not top like a sportsman or surfer or something like that, but healthy enough to go down and go up. Anyway, so hot, I cannot get any drink here because everything is closed. Meanwhile, that's how it looks from the top of the cliff. If you don't want to go down, you can just come to the one of the bars if they are open. Usually they open after 4 p.m. during current conditions. In normal conditions they are open for breakfast obviously, but not now. So anyway, if you want to go here and enjoy the place almost empty, come at morning. Meanwhile, I will go home, edit this video for today, because yesterday accidentally I make a video last night and accidentally I delayed all the footage, so that's why I come this morning here, and after that I'm gonna make another video. Can you imagine that? Yeah, but that's my fault, nothing to complain anymore. Thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow. Like always, see ya, take care.